Hi everyone. In today's video, we will explore the different types of DNS servers and how they work together to keep the internet running smoothly. Okay. In today's lesson, we are going to discuss these 6 topics. Introduction to DNS, types of DNS servers, how these servers work together, importance of each server type, practical example of DNS server usage and summary. Okay, first let's quickly recap what's DNS server. DNS or domain name system is the internet's way of translating human readable domain names like rarebitacademy.com into IP addresses that computers understand. Okay, but this translation process involves multiple types of DNS servers working together. In a typical DNS query without any caching, there are 4 servers that work together to deliver an IP address to the client. They are Recursive Resolvers, Root DNS Servers, Top-Level Domain DNS Servers, that is TLD DNS Servers, Authoritative DNS Servers. Okay, let's start with Recursive DNS Servers. These servers act as intermediaries between your device and the DNS hierarchy. When you type a URL into your browser, your query is sent to a Recursive Resolver. Its job is to find the answer for you by querying other DNS servers. Here, the resolver actually behaves as a client itself. Next, we have root DNS servers. These are the top level servers in the DNS hierarchy. There are only 13 set of root servers globally, and their job is to point your query to the appropriate top level domain server based on the domain extension like .com, .org, etc. After the root server, your query is directed to a TLD DNS server. These servers manage specific domain extensions. For example, if you are looking for a .com website, the TLD server for .com will guide your query to the next step. If you have any question, please comment under the comment section. Finally, we reach authoritative DNS servers. These servers hold the definitive records for domain names, including IP addresses, email configurations, and more. They provide final answer to your query. Here is how it all works together. When you type a URL, your query goes to a recursive server, which is a server that receives the query from the DNS client, which contacts the root server. Okay. The root server then points to the resolver with the address of TLD server such as .com or .net that stores the information for its domains. Now, resolver has the IP address of the related TLD. Next, the resolver queries that TLD server. Okay. That TLD server then responds with the IP address of the requested domain's authoritative DNS server. Again, resolver or recursive DNS has the IP address of authoritative DNS server. The recursor then queries the authoritative server, which will respond with the IP address of the origin server. The resolver will finally pass the origin server IP address back to the client. Using this IP address, the client can then go directly to the origin server, and the origin server will respond by sending website data, and it will be rendered by the web browser all in a fraction of a second. Okay. Now we are going to discuss the importance of DNS servers. Okay. Each type of DNS server plays a crucial role in ensuring the internet is fast, reliable, and scalable. Without this teamwork, accessing websites would be much slower and less efficient. Okay. So to sum it up, the 4 main types of DNS servers, recursive, root, TLD, and authoritative, work together seamlessly to make the internet function. I hope this video helped you understand their roles and importance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to Rarebit Academy on notifications so you never miss a video. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I would like to hear from you.